Welcome back to N.Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. This video is going to help you to know about the scanner class in Java. Suppose if you wanted to read any value from the user, we are going to use this scanner class. Let us look to it. Java brings various streams with its IO package, which are going to help us to do all input and output operations in Java. They are system.in, which is a standard input stream, and this is used to read characters from the keyboard. System.out, and this is a standard output stream which is used to produce the result of the program on an output device like computer screen. And the third stream which we use is the system.err. This is a standard error stream that is used to output all the error data that a program may hold, and those are displayed on the computer screen or standard output device. So when you look to any Java application to read the content from a source file, those are done as an input stream, and to display the contents to the destination, they are going to write to the destination in the form of an output stream. Now let us look to the various methods that we are going to use in accepting input from the keyboard. There are three different ways that we can do in Java. One is buffered reader, that is input stream reader class, by using an input stream reader class. And second category is a scanner class. And third category that we can read the data from the input from the user is data input stream class. Now our focus is on scanner class. So in order to use this scanner class, for sure you have to import java.utility file into your current program so that you can use a scanner class. In this scanner class, there are many different methods which are going to help us to read the input from the standard input device, that is a stream.in. And those methods are, see here, string next. It is going to return the next token from the scanner. String next line. So it moves the scanner position to the next line and returns the value as a string. Byte, next byte, it is going to read the next token as a byte. Short, next short means it is going to scan the next short as a next token as a short and is going to return it as a short. And it is going to scan for the next token as an integer, whereas the next long, it's going to scan the next token as a long. It is going to scan the next token as a float, and this one, it is going to scan the next token as a double. I know all the methods are confusing. Let me explain it with an example. And to display the content, we are going to use system.out, either print or println. System.out, as we said earlier, this is a standard output stream that is used to display the result on the computer screen. Print is a method from this standard output stream class, and this print is going to help us to display the text on the console, whereas println means it is going to display the text on the console and the cursor will move to the next line at the console. So this is the major difference between system.out.println and print. Now let us explain this with a small example. Here I have presented a program where I am reading the student name and I read the register number of the student and I read 5 different marks of the student. After reading it from the user, I calculate the total percentage and then I display the result and all the details of the student. For that reason, because I wanted to use a scanner class, I have used import java.utility.asterisk. That is, I have imported this package because scanner class belongs to this package, utility package. Now I have used a class called student, and within that I have defined the main function and within that I have used different variables in order to hold the values from the user. For holding the name, I have used sname. For holding the register number or NO, and for calculating the total, I have used a variable called tot and I have declared them as int and name as a string. And for the marks, I have declared an integer array. So by using a new operator to hold 5 different integer values into it. And a flag is an integer variable. Initially, I kept it as 0. And percentage is a variable. I declared it as a float in order to keep the average value in it. Now, I am creating a scanner object, that is, see here, scanner SC is equal to new scanner, which is pointing to system.in. So scanner is a class and SC is the object created for the scanner class, and with the help of this new operator, I am making this object SC pointing to the system.in. Now, whatever the value that the user is going to give in as an input, the object can read those values with the help of SC. It's a scanner object. Now here I just wrote a printf statement saying enter the name of the student. So here enter the name of the student. As soon as I enter Raju, then this value is going to be read by using sc.nextLine method, and after reading that Raju, it is entered into sname. And again one more printf statement I wrote, that is enter student register number. So student register number, I have entered it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as I press enter here, it is going to be read by using scanner object, that is sc.nextInt. This is a method of the scanner class to read the integer values. After reading it, I am saving it in RNO. Afterwards, I have wrote one more printf statement, enter 5 subject marks, and I have wrote a for loop statement to read individual marks, that is subject 198. As soon as I enter this 98, then scanner.nextInt is going to read it, and I'm going to save it in index value 0, that is marks of 0 is holding 98. And I check whether it is less than 35. If it is less than 35, I make it as flag 1, and then I push it to the total. So initially the total is 98, and this is continued till I read all the 5 different values. Afterwards, see here, I'm just using those variables and displaying the name, register number and total. Afterwards, if the flag is 0, that is if it is greater than 35, the total is calculated and is displayed student passed with so and so percentage. So this is how I have displayed it. So hope you have understood how we have used the scanner class. Thank you for watching this video.